Hi guys, today what we're going to do is increase the security on the entry door to the RV. As many of you may know, the locks that come on these RVs are not very strong and the keys are quite common, so other people can get into your RV. So we decided to add a hasp and bolt, which is just a latch with a padlock. And what we're doing is we're drilling a hole through the door and through the side of the RV here. And I tried several different ones, but since the door doesn't line up with the side of the RV, it has to be flexible somewhat. And so I did find one that's about 9 inches long, and it has 2 separations in the middle. It's quite nice, and it allows for the uneven edges. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Got these holes installed, drilled, and now I need to install the bolt. This is the bolt here. So I've already marked my holes, so I'm going to go ahead and drill those holes now. And I'm going to use a little smaller drill bit to get the hole started. I think this is like an eighth of an inch. Here I've installed this, so it's basically 1.5 inches is the thickness of the door. I added a piece of aluminum underneath here because these doors really are just very thin. I believe this is fiberglass here, so it's not very strong. So I put a 1/4 inch piece of aluminum plate behind here, and I just drilled some holes. And then I also did it on the other side. And you can see how this is all dented. I barely tightened it, and this stuff just flexes, just not very strong. So hopefully this will, add some security to it. And then here we've got here's the hasp. This is called a hasp. These are reinforced, they're flexible, and it allows to go from this edge to here. So we'll put the description on Amazon if you decide you want to buy this lock. I think it was about $20, somewhere around there. Anyway, I believe it'll definitely help. This is pretty sturdy here, and the padlock that I have is pretty strong as well. It's just some added security. If somebody really wants to get in, they'll figure out a way, but this will definitely slow them down. And we'll still, I'm gonna replace this. I'm actually have one on order right now. So that'll help as well. Here we go. 10 minutes. Now we got a safe and secure front door. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope it helped. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Join our family by clicking the join button down below. Your membership will help more kids in the Philippines who needs books and computers for their school. Thank you guys, we love you.
Looking forward to your membership, guys. We love you.
My channel, subscribe to my channel.